Hi everyone. Today we're covering key human factors that can impact UAS operations, from medication and fatigue to stress and physical conditions. These often overlooked risks can seriously affect flight safety, so let's go over what you need to know. Let's start with medications, alcohol, and drugs. Even common over-the-counter medications like antihistamines can cause drowsiness and delayed reaction times. Bad news in a UAS control station. Alcohol and drugs, even if taken hours earlier, can impact coordination and focus. If you're taking anything with side effects, it's best to avoid flying. Next up, circadian rhythm and fatigue. Flying when you're tired or outside of your natural sleep hours can seriously reduce alertness and slow down your decision making. Keeping a regular sleep schedule and taking breaks during long operations are great ways to stay sharp. If you're flying solo, single-piloted crew resource management is crucial. Set clear priorities, organize your workspace, and coordinate with any team members, like visual observers, to reduce the chance of oversight. Spatial disorientation is also something to watch for. Relying on screens and data feeds instead of direct cockpit views can throw off your sense of position. Regularly check your local time and airspace and practice with simulators to stay oriented. Dehydration and heat stroke are real risks, especially outdoors. Both can impair focus and judgment. So stay hydrated, find shade, and take breaks as needed. Hyperventilation from stress can also be an issue. Slow, deep breaths help keep you grounded. Stress and fatigue affect response time and judgment too. Mitigate stress by using checklists and planning ahead, and avoid flying if you're not well rested. Staying calm and focused is critical for safe operations. In short, managing factors like medications, fatigue, stress, and dehydration are essential for safe UAS operations. Prioritizing these will help keep you at your best and ensure you're ready for anything. Thanks for watching, remember to fly safe, and don't forget to subscribe for more UAS tips.